In today's video, we are going to show you how to downgrade Mozilla Firefox to an older version. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to check your current Firefox version by going to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and then scroll down to the Help button and then click the About Firefox. Now, I want you to take note of your current version number because this helps you confirm what version you are downgrading from. Okay? And then on the address bar, I want you to type about:profiles. Now, go to the default profile, which is going to be this one. Answer ASAP. Now, I want you to click the open folder and then copy the entire folder to a safe location because this step prevents data loss like bookmarks, passwords, and extensions. All right. After that is uninstalling the current Firefox version. And of course, all you have to do is go to the Windows, type in Control Panel. And of course, you need to go to the Programs, search for Mozilla Firefox, right-click on it, and click the Uninstall Program. Okay? Now, from here, all I have to do is super simple. Okay? Just follow the on-screen instructions. You want to make sure to not check the box to remove personal data. Once it's finished, I want you to download an older Firefox version. Now, open any browser and then go to the Mozilla's official archive site, which is going to be this link. Press enter and select the Firefox version that you want. Remember earlier I told you to save the current version that we have right now. So I'm going to be choosing this one instead. And all I have to do is super simple. Install the older Firefox version and follow the on-screen instructions. And basically that's it on how to downgrade Mozilla Firefox version. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.